Genesis chapter 1. The Lord made a beautiful world, and He gave the authority of this planet to humans. And yes, indeed, it was a beautiful planet where humans and animals thrived. Greenery all around, water bodies. Everything was so beautiful, so nice. It was a fabulous place to live in. But over time, man was overcome with greed, and greed made men misuse their power. And all over the world, they started doing ecological disasters in the name of development. What you see in my crib is a scene from Mole, where the government has passed 3 projects. The double tracking of the railways, the expansion of the highway through Mole, and the 400 kVA transmission line. And all these 3 projects are for transportation of coal through Goa. And this is documented in the Sagarmala report. So, as per these projects, about 70,000 trees are to be cut, and this is just the official figure. Unofficially, there will be many more trees which will be cut for these projects. The government has already started cutting trees, and hundreds and thousands of trees have been cut. If you all remember, 2 years back in Kerala, there was floods when it rained because the trees in that particular area was cut. Same thing, if these trees are cut, in the monsoons there will be heavy floods because the trees won't be there to retain the water. And in summers, there will be drought because the groundwater level won't be there, which in turn will also lead to more trees dying up. And that will also mean that animals will have to go out searching for new place to stay. And that will increase human-animal conflicts. Because the forests are cut, animals will come out to look for new places to stay. Now, already there's a track and a road, but there is no official figure of how many animals die on those roads and tracks. So, when the tracks are doubled or the road is expanded, more animals will die. Also, you see a hospital in my crib because once this project comes up, whole of Goa will be affected with it. Coal will lead to many problems like respiratory illnesses. Secondly, there are thousands of pathogens in the forest, and if trees are cut, one never knows another pandemic might occur in Goa. So hospital will be a common sight. So the message in my crib is, if the Lord had given us a planet like this, a nice, beautiful planet with greenery all around, water bodies, and a nice place, this is what we had been given by the Lord. But sadly, this is what we have made of it. So does a Christ deserve a planet like this to be born or to celebrate His birthday?